Alright guys, Cardi here again guys. This time guys, another explained video. And this time I have Alibaba amplifier from Alibaba guys. You'll see them on another Alibaba, a lot of you guys. Yeah, I did one time too guys. Yeah, they tell me they can, put my name on it, for me logo, do my own logo if I send them the picture and everything on it, and then they'll charge me and sell it to me. As you see, this doesn't come with a name or anything, cause yeah, they sell them like this. As you can see, how it make it's it's been last us similar to a lot of amplifiers out there guys, like Sound Digital and Sound Down amplifier. And you see the circuit, it ring a bell guys. See this circuit, yeah, what it is. Yes guys, same circuit that the Sound Down use and stuff like that, yeah. So yes guys, they are made in China just like that. Capacitor 3300 microfarad, 120 volts. These two filter caps. Power supply capacitor says 25 volts, 4700 microfarad for the power supply ones, guys. So yeah, and this uses the, let me see here, guys. It uses the what driver IC? Yeah, the MOSFET driver IC. This have a weird what the heck is this? I'll make it hold on guys, I'm gonna make sure I give you the part number and this for this two MOSFET driver. It's not like the regular one that I'm used to. I'm gonna look it up after I'm finished, and I'm gonna buy a bunch of them if I see them, just in case I get some of these to work on, because the number says, hold on, let me see if I'm seeing correctly. This part number, oh yes, I'm seeing correctly. So the number is CSC 3127. So CSC 3127. I don't know that one. Yes, CSC 3127. What the heck? CSC 3127, guys. Wow, that's kind of new to me. Let me show you guys in my hand what it's. Yes, guys. MOSFET driver, that's the number on it, guys. CSC 3127. I'm gonna look it up now. I'm not familiar with that MOSFET driver at all. I don't think I ever worked on any amplifier with that part number on a MOSFET driver. Wow. Wow. That's weird. That's weird. And hope you use it for the preamp stage. You have those 074C, 074C, 0743, three of them. And this one right here is, let me see right here, guys. This little IC right here. It says MC 3126. MC 3126. So, Alright, that sound alright. If I'm gonna take a picture of the circuit board and I'm finished, just in case I can counteract with, the one and those other Brazilian board that use other numbers to see if it works. I'll let you guys know if it works, because that's how we do it. Each one teach one, guys. So, I will let you know. I will be the guinea pig of that. I'll find a amplifier to be the guinea pig. Yes, guys, I will do it, I will take the risk. Yes, guys, so you guys can, see what to do or what not to do. So, yeah. But, yes, guys, with this one, guys, so, yeah. All right, guys. So down to why this one wasn't down to why it wasn't working, guys. It was on. It wasn't in protection mode or anything, guys. But it wasn't working. Turn on no audio, guys. Yeah. Turn on no audio. The guy say when you turn it by it, what it's comes on and it blow his speakers. This thing blow his speakers as it. But I guess something was wrong with some setup of his because the problem with this guys was here with the input section up here. The input section up here was the problem, guys. And let me tell you, here you have this. Let me see. Make sure I read this again. Let's see, reading the circuit the way it should. Okay, yeah. So here, guys, which is says, is it this resistor 3? So resistor 3 has a 10 ohm resistor, and it is at 100. Yeah. This was looking discolored to the point of you couldn't see it. But when I check it and I on the magnifying glass I pull up, see I could hardly see the number. It wasn't easily visible for me to see it. So yeah, I used my little scorpion little magnifying glass and scope it out, guys. Just. And then I see it was that one there. It was bad, but it didn't stop there because right below it there was another one which I think it wasn't. It was reading. Let me see this. Right, this one was. They were reading like this a 1 ohm resistor here. But it was reading. What? It was giving it like some 22 ohm something like that. Here, so and this is resistor 10. Yes, was giving me that. So resistor 10 is a 1 ohm resistor. So something happened with Shin. He said he got the speaker, but end up at the input section where the RCA is right behind the RCA on the circuit. That's where the problem lies, guys. So I replaced those and yeah, it's working fine, guys. Working fine. So let me give you guys a little test of, and I'm not going to put no audio, guys, because I don't really have no want to go through this phone. This phone's gonna take me a long time before I could put anything to it, find anything. Yeah. So let me guys right, guys. So that should be it, guys. The little test I have for it. Yes. So that's the problem with this one, guys. That was the problem with this Alibaba amplifier. I would call it Alibaba. Alibaba no name amplifier tag, but they play good, guys. They really play good. I would buy a few of them. If I can get it really cheap. I'll put my logo to you guys on, and resell them. And I would ask them if they could upgrade something in it for me, like, that circuitry with that part number that I'm going to look for, and I let you guys know what that, if I see those parts for sale, definitely buy them. And guys, if those work, guys, let me tell you something, those parts could maybe substitute the SI, or maybe I don't think it will really substitute the SI, but I know it's a possibility that it substitute the IRS 2957S. Yes, guys, that IRS 2957S. Yes, this could be a substitute for it, guys. So you never know. So I'll let you guys know because I'm going to try. So let me even check the pins on it and see if they correspond with the okay. So this says check the pin on these and see 1, 2, 3, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You also have 8 pins, guys. So on one side, so 16 in all. But I'm going to find out, guys, if they replace those, because those are cheaper, these would be cheaper than the IRS 2957. So yeah, I'll definitely go, replace it just in case when you don't have those. And that's how guys, you figure out stuff. When people make stuff like this, yeah, they go the cheaper way, and wow, it's to help you in the long run. Not necessarily means that the part is a cheap part, guys. It just means that there is a substitute for it, which maybe a lot of people didn't know. And maybe, it goes, because sometimes each company, that's why some people scratch off the number of this stuff. They don't want you to know that it's a part they're using that's a lot of amplifier already use, and stuff like that. That's why they do that. They don't want you to know that. No, they don't. So that's why they do stuff like that. So like how this was revealed to me, so I'm gonna look it up now as soon as I'm finished, guys, and I'll let you guys know. Definitely let you guys know, because I'm gonna get an amplifier to be a guinea pig and to test them in. Definitely. I'm going to do that. Because maybe this will substitute the same what again? The IRS 292S, maybe too, you never know. I forgot how much pins is on those, but it could be. But guys, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and definitely, guys, see you on the next one. I'll give you an update about the parts, number, and everything. So, alright, guys, see you on the next one. Cardi and Cardi out for now. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and as I said, enough respect.